Now we're going to start putting together the other image of Andrew, which is the Andrew rescue image. So let's go ahead and in Lightroom, go to Import, go to Andrew Rescue, where I've already put all of these images, and click Import. And now we can go through these real quick and just do what we always do, which is reject the ones we don't want. These aren't even like I don't know. I think I was just testing out stuff on my camera for those. Okay, so I'm setting up stuff. White balance is completely off. These are just us setting up the shot. Okay, there's some other test shots. He's not even wearing his right outfit in any of these, so we can just go through and reject all of these. Oh, okay. So here we are with the actual images that we can actually sort through now. So let's start with these. I'm looking now for just a good image that has the overall shape that we want in the arms and head, because we did some individual shots of the legs that we'll go through in a second. So we were having some trouble with the flash, if you remember from the video, that weren't going off properly. So I need to wait until we get to the properly exposed images. And I'll just speed through this right now so you don't have to wait and watch this in real time, because it's kind of a pain. Okay, so I've rejected all the ones where there were issues, and I'll filter all of these out. So I'm not showing my rejected ones now. Now let's just go through and select some that work. So we started and we were taking some, and then I had Andrew take his tie off because the tie was just hanging there. And that's already wrong for the picture, right? It needed to be like up and floating and stuff. So we took the tie off, and then we took some pictures later on of just the tie, or just focusing on the tie with forward flipping it up in between shots. So we use one of these images for the actual tie. Okay. Now let's go through, and I really want to focus on the overall shape and face. If we can get one that has both together, that would be ideal. I don't know if I want his long hair or not. We tied his hair back so that we would be able to add some long hair later. But I kind of like it tied back, so maybe we'll use one of these. Let's see, at one point here, yeah, so we had him sit, like lay on top of the suit jacket so it wouldn't hang down and be the like completely wrong shape. So we'll start here really looking at him, because I'm not gonna deal with that. That's cool. That's cool. That one's flash didn't go off. Oh, these I like too. Oh, that one's great. So as an effort to keep him comfortable, I put a pillow there, but it kind of ruined the line that we had of the suit jacket where we could cut it out right here. So I shouldn't have done that, even though it helped him be more comfortable. These aren't usable for that, but we could like look at the face here, the arms or something, and just use those maybe. I like it where his hand is more like outreached instead of like that. This is more like action-y. This is more like not cool. Okay, and these ones we just focused on the legs. So let's pick one of these for the legs right here. That'll work. These ones, his legs are more up. So I'll choose one of these in case we want something from that. And then these ones, his legs are more downward. Okay. Then we got these pictures of the rope because the idea is that he'd be holding onto a rope, and I don't know if we'll actually use that in the composite. Okay, that picture right there looks awesome. This is where we started playing with the tie. And honestly, I think we'll just use this one. Or where was it? Yeah, I think that looks awesome. I love that. Everything's just right in that picture. You see how we put that? That's like a reflector for photography. And we just put it underneath the tie so it would be easier to cut out. But the shape, it brings the tie in front of him, which isn't how the tie would be. It would be more like this. Okay. I'm liking this one. I think we'll use this, and then we'll choose a different picture for the arm. We'll replace the legs back here, and do something else with the hair. So let's try to find a good picture of hair that we can use. Maybe hair and face in one would be great. So that looks awesome. That looks awesome. Okay. Yep, so now let's look at the pictures we have selected. So we have this option, this option. These are focused on the face and hair. This one for hair. Now that was just like gorgeous. Okay, so I think we'll use that one for the face. That one for the arm. These for the legs. And that one for the body. Yep, so let's go cut out the ones we're not going to use. You know what? Actually, I'll probably pick a different arm picture. This is a little too direct. We'll go back and pick something for that. So, unpick some of these that we're not going to use. So, face and hair. Body, but I think we'll replace that. Yeah. Legs. Oh, this is the body and tie. Yeah, okay. So let's find a good outreached arm image that we can use. Let's go back to beginning here and just go through these real quick until we find a good arm one. We're just looking at this left arm of his. Something dramatic, something like really outstretched. I like those. Like that. Okay, so that one I saw was really good. Face, hair, arm, legs, body. Perfect, so let's go ahead and edit these real quick. So we'll go to develop. We won't change the white, well, if we go to auto, let's just do, yeah, we did auto on the previous one, so let's just do that again. We'll go to auto, develop, for the tone. Keep everything else, and then let's just do that for each one. It's really important that we're bringing up the shadows for these. You can see here in the legs, when we turn off that auto. It's bringing the shadows way up and we're seeing so much more detail. So I really like that. Okay, now let's export these. So we'll select all of them, go File, Export, and then let's make sure we have it in the right folder. That was not the right folder. Andrew Rescue, select folder, put in subfolder Andrew Rescue Lightroom exports, and we'll name them Andrew Rescue 1 through 5. Okay. So we'll export those, and then in Photoshop, File, Scripts, load files into Stack, find our images, open these up. Okay, and then let's quickly go through here and rename these. So let's do Andrew Rescue body. Let's do Andrew Rescue legs 1. Legs 2. Arm left. And head. Great. Now we're going to select all of these and we're going to drag them into our other document